Hello student, good morning to everyone. Today we will learn to the last point of the chapter. It's called Visual Basic. What is a script? Explain VB script, give one example is our question today. We have to solve this question for our exam. Before that, this question refers to us in the C language. The student who are well known about the C language coding who can easily perform the actions inside the Visual Basic script language. Script means script is the code and script is a language also. We can say script language is there. This language will be helpful to you for making the script language inside your program. Whenever you want to run your program and with the different coding, different commands is there inside the scripting, so that time you will use VB script. VB script, generally we will say about the a script means a series of command that will be executed by the host environment for server. It is the series of command. We should have to keep it in our mind that script is a series of commands. Second point, scripting enables us to set and store variable. Store the variable, we perform this action also in the C or C++ languages. And more towards third point, by integrating script, make static HTML page active or dynamic. Active page we already know that, and dynamic page means we can set as per our necessary whenever we want to edit the document. So that it is called DHTML, that is dynamic hypertext markup language. Dynamic means we can change inside the coding part of the HTML web page. Due to this we will face the different look of the HTML web page. So see the fourth number of point. Scripting language are a special programming language. These are used a web page to control the different element of a page, including controls, frames and browser's interface. There will be the interface between the control frames, page, and there is a interface in between the browser also. Then these are the two famous scripting language, VB script and JavaScript is there available for different purposes. So we will get today the knowledge about VB script only, just prior knowledge about the VB. Some student will not understand what I am saying, but just read the book, whatever you understand, read it in your answer sheet. So firstly, you should keep in your mind that we should have to write at least 4 points for this question for getting at least 2 mark. The question will be about 2 mark only. So for that 4 points we should have to write in our answer sheet, if with the examples also. An application collects the data from a form and then sent to the server. If it is validated to data, the completeness and correctness before sending to it server, it will greatly impress the performance of browsing section, since data is sent to the server only if it is validated correct. If your data is correct, then and then it will be sent to the server. And there are different type of forms. Forms is a section inside the HTML also. We can enter the information inside the form, we can keep closed the information at the server, we can get the information from the server related to the forms. You can understand what the form working, but it is not included in your 12th standard syllabus. We can understand about detail about the form in our next some videos, whenever I will teach you the details about HTML with the different points in the details. But Right now we are making the videos just related to the academic session, academic syllabus. So for that I am just only explaining the concept of VBScript, just only for the exam purpose. We can get the knowledge, prior knowledge about that topic. So we'll see the another topic. Another importance of Visual Basic is increase functionality, introduce the web authors is the form of applet, plugin, active control and object. Each of the things can be used to the extra function and interactivity to the web page. There are some extra functions also. With the help of VBScript you can add extra functions there. So for this we will see an example written at the bottom of the page. HTML head title script language is equal to VBScript. We should have to write the code inside the script coding. Sub can is our function. We can see the function name can is there. Message box msgbox is the syntax for that. Hello world is our word for a sample word. We can see an example at the another page. Half of the example is at the next page. So open your next page, then we can see end sub, end script language, and we can end the head body. Inside the body we can input our form also. So you can see at the top of the page there is a body tag is there. Form name is equal to form1. Input type is equal to button, name is equal to 81, value click on click is equal to can function. Whenever we click on the button, then can function will be execute whenever we write the code in that type. So our today's topic has closed. We will see another extra examples, extra questions related to VBScript. So see the next question. These are the very smallest questions. 3 questions is there. I will just explain within the 10 minutes. So see into your textbook. Look at your textbook very carefully. That will give you the better knowledge related to VBScript. VBScript can be placed in script start tag and script end tag. It contains attribute language is equal to VBScript as shown below. We can see script language is equal to VBScript and close the script as this is the script tag. We will see the another question. Advantages, features of VBScript. This question can be asked in your exam session. So we will understand very basically. VBScript designed to be fast. VBScript is safe. Rich set of function, error handling. So see the first advantages. VBScript does not support any strict data type. It does not support VBScript. These are the strict data types are images, integer, character, float, etc. The only data type is available is a variant. Data type is variant. Instead of character, integer and float, variant data type is there. Var means variable. It is a special all-purpose data type which can be used to store any kind of data. Var is the data type which will be used to store the data. VBScript is safe. It provides the file system component which consists of objects which can be used to perform input output, but all the languages features that enables access to the local files on which application is running has been removed from the VBScript to enhance the security. Only we can add the syntax inside the program. For that purpose the data is very secured. Only the data is useful from your computer. So for that the VBScript is safe. Rich set of functions. There is a different functions that are very rich set of functions. We can see the rich set of functions for performing various types of operations via array manipulating functions, data and time functions are there, string functions are there for mathematical functions, and conversation functions are there that will be useful as a rich set of functions. Error handling, this is the last point of the advantages. Error handling, VB script allows user to access the handle the errors. So these four important advantages are very useful for making or writing the advantages of VB script. So again we memorize the four advantages. VB script designed to be a fast. VB script is a safe and secured. We can see rich set of functions is there, rich set of different functions are there. We can see mathematical function, conversation function, manipulating function, array functions are different type of functions. Error handling, easily handle the errors. So the question is end. 3 question has completely end here. Lastly we will see what are the limitations of VB script. There are some limitations also. We will see at least 3 limitations. Array handling, VB script array are 0 based. It does not allow the user to change the base of array. VB script does not allow the user to change the base of array. User can't easily change the base of array. For example, if we want to create array top 10 student in the class, it would be make sense to start the array from 1, but we must start array from 0. We should have to start the array from 0. These are the basic. We have already understand this concept in the C++ also. From that concept we also know about the array starting from 0. Okay, the indexing of the array starting from 0. So we already know about that. VB script cannot create user defined data type. VB script cannot create user defined data type. So user defined data type is different type of. So VB script cannot useful for that. We will see the definition. VB script provide with the creation certain objects and collections. It does not give the provision for the user to create user defined data type. Dynamic data exchange, this is the last point. It is not supported in Visual Basic script, VB script, as it may violate the integrity of server. It may violate the integrity of server. Dynamic data exchange, the data exchange should be in the form of dynamic stage. We can change anywhere whenever necessary inside the VB script. So the VB script point is over today. You can study very well with your textbook also, with this type of videos also. If you are having some problem, I will solve it whenever you will come to the college. Then we can talk about that. We can learn more things. If there is some necessary in your exam, then we will see the different practicals related to that, and we will make the different programs of HTML as our necessary with respect to our academic session, our syllabus, or with respect to our exam syllabus. So I can give you one instruction is there. Do study hard, make different practicals over your own computer, and read properly. Try to write the different answers of different questions, so you will be confirmed that you know about the questions answer very well. So best of luck student. We will meet in our next video with the next topic. Thank you.